Hey everyone, new keyboard alert! It's the Mineral O2 keyboard by Akko. It's a nearly full-sized aluminum keyboard with some rock-solid accents. But before we get into any details about this keyboard, let's do some unboxing first. You may have already caught on, but this keyboard is named the Mineral series because of all the mineral-looking accents within the board. These accents are very subtle but gives the board dimension, especially because it looks like quartz. You can also change the colors of the corners with FN and O, which cycles through a few color options. Or if you're not a big fan of the RGB, you can definitely turn the lights off and leave the whole thing black, which you can see how it looks like at the end of this clip. It's another ball catch design keyboard which eliminates the need of using tools and elbow grease to open it to do any mods or cleaning. So when's the last time you cleaned your keyboard? Because now you can, and very easily. Essentially how ball catch works is that there are two balls that hold onto a latch to lock it in place. Then during the release, the pressure from the pulling allows it to open slightly so you can take the two pieces apart, which is pretty genius if you ask me. I've never tried these switches before, but I actually really like them. These are the Akko mirror switches. To describe them, they have a very light and crisp sound, or if you watch till the end of the video, there will be a sound test. One thing I did come across when taking apart this keyboard is that for some of the numpad stabilizers, I did have to stick tweezers into the latches to pull the switches out since the regular switch removers didn't fit. They most likely did it this way so that all the LEDs are facing the same way. This isn't the end of the world, but it is an extra step. The LEDs on this board are average and the keycaps are not shine through, but I actually kind of like that for this keyboard. It adds to the minimalistic bougie look. And this light right here turns red when you charge the keyboard. FN and G does change it back to the rotating colors, but you can't really change it out from the RGB effect, but at least it's not overpowering. But yeah, overall, I really like this keyboard. One last fun fact before we get to the sound test. This keyboard is nearly 7 pounds. It's really heavy. Anyway, thanks for watching and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.